Hello YouTube friends. This is just a quick video to reveal a new glueless 3D parts locking system that I've been working on. I wanted a system where I could just click the parts together without having to do any work to make the pieces fit. It had to work straight off the printer. I didn't want to need glue. I also wanted to be able to separate the parts again if I really needed to. Say I broke a character's arm or something like that. I just wanted to be able to pull the part off, print another one and click it straight back on. The system also had to be self-tightening to pull the two pieces together to form a tight seam. Well, I think I've cracked it. Introducing PVG's Click Fit Interlock System. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Remove the raft. Okay, so I haven't touched these. These are exactly as they've come off the printer. I haven't cleaned anything up. Let's see if the system works. Push it in, wiggle it around. Now let's see if they lock. Beautiful. That's not going nowhere. Perfect. I won't have to glue my parts together ever again. No, I can't. I can't pull it apart. That's... Oh, hang on. Yes, I can. Alright, so it's good to know if I need to replace something, I can pull it apart, but if it was a character's arm or something, I reckon you might break it before you get it apart. Let's see if it locks together again. That works really nice. And click. Beautiful. That's not going nowhere. I'm really happy with that. Okay, so that's what I'm using for all my models from now on. If I need to split them up into sections, I'll be using this system for joining them together. No more glue. I can't tell you how happy I am that this works. I'll freely share the STL file in the description below so you can try it out for yourself and integrate it into your models if you want. Share the video. I'm sure a lot of people would love to see this. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later.